Looking at this question, it clearly is a binomial distribution question. Let's have a look. Random variable x, binomial, number in the sample 10, with probability 0.2. The question requires us to work out the probability of fewer than 4 bowls in the sample are imperfect. Tables will only recognise this. As you should know. Referring to tables, we then get our answer of two marks. Second part of the question, main part of the question, hypothesis testing. You should be aware of your hypothesis template that we have from our class notes. First things first, let's define the probability. P, probability, bowl is imperfect. Now we need to set our null and alternative hypothesis. The null hypothesis, P, is equal to 0.2 from earlier in the question. Now this is the key part to this question. When setting the alternative hypothesis, the question requires an improvement. An improvement means we want the probability of imperfect bowls to be reduced to less than 0.2. We can now run the test. Random variable, binomial distribution. We have in this sample 20, 2 of which of the sample of 20 were imperfect. Probability 0.2. So when we're running our test, we're looking for the probability number of bowls to be less than or equal to 2. Using tables, we find this to be our next stage is to compare this against the significance level. Now this is a one-tailed hypothesis test, so we're comparing it to 5%. 0.2061 is more than 0.05, 5%. So our conclusion is accept H0. Now the examiner likes it if we can put a bit of context to this. So this means not enough evidence to suggest that the new process shows an improvement.